Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you 5 apps that let you see how you'd look with different hairstyles. Let's start with YouCam Makeup. This app uses AI to scan your face and lets you try short, long, curly, or straight hairstyles in real time. Next up is Hairstyle Try-On. It has a simple design where you upload a photo and quickly test different haircuts and fringe styles. Third is ModiFace Hair Color. This one is perfect if you want to test hair colors like blonde, brown, red, or gray before changing your real hair. After that comes Hairstyle Changer. It focuses on fast edits, letting you apply preset hairstyles with quick adjustments. Finally, there's Photore. Along with photo editing, it includes hairstyle and portrait tools to preview new looks with better lighting. And that's it. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.